In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a footer widget in WordPress. If you've been looking to enhance the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your website, then adding a footer widget is a fantastic way to start. Footer widgets not only provide additional content and links at the bottom of your site but also help in improving user experience by making information easily accessible. Let's walk through the process together. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control center of your website, where you can make all necessary changes and customize your site to your liking. Once you're logged in, look for the Appearance option on the left-hand menu. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, click on Widgets. This section gives you the tools to add various functionalities to different areas of your site. You should now see a list of available widgets on the left, and on the right, sections where these widgets can be placed. Locate the section labeled Footer or Footer Area. This is the part of your site where you'll be adding the new widget. If it's your first time here, the number of footer areas listed might vary depending on your theme, so don't worry if yours looks slightly different. Now, decide on which type of content you'd like to add to your footer. Popular choices include contact information, quick links, or even a newsletter sign-up form. To add a widget, click and hold the widget type of your choice, then drag it over to the designated footer area. Alternatively, some themes also allow you to click on the widget and select the footer area from a drop-down menu. Once you've added the widget, you'll see options to configure it. If you've added a text widget, for instance, you can enter your desired content or HTML code directly into the provided text box. Be sure to click on Save once you have finished entering your content to save your changes. Take a moment here to preview your website to ensure everything appears as you intended. You can do this by clicking on Visit Site from the dashboard's top left corner. If you find that you don't like how it looks, or you want to make adjustments, simply return to the Widgets section. From there, you can move widgets around, change their order, or even remove them by clicking on the down arrow to expand and choosing the Delete option. And there you have it. You've successfully created a footer widget in WordPress. Experimenting with different widgets and configurations can really help in tailoring your site to better suit the needs of your audience and improve overall site navigation. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.